Yo guys, welcome back to another trading recap. Today I did take a trade. Jackass. And yes, I can. Fuck you, Sid. Fuck you, Sid. Uh, so these guys are jackasses. Cause I asked on. Oh look, yeah, look at this. December 18th. Jackass responded to me 4 days later, right? With the weekend, but the weekend. Shut up. Shut up. Oh, just so nasty. 3 days is crazy. And then he has the audacity to message me back twice in, in like in 3 hours. Hey, hello. I haven't heard back from you well, so I'll go ahead and close this chat for now. This doesn't mean our conversation over. This is like fightable over. I'm just gonna assume that this is not gonna be an issue, okay? Because these are my accounts. They reset them. I did not actually think I was only down 200. I was saying I was down 500. I opened this bitch. I want to close this bad because I open this. First thing that shows up is my billing. Why is that shit showing up? Like, I think it's on Discord right now. I'm not gonna risk this because I had to re-record. I'm not even gonna rant about it. Let's get into it. Really easy shorts, really easy longs. I mean, bias is very clear right now. I was down to do either today, just waiting for some confirmation. Obviously, I'm just gonna go way back when we have um, what is going on? Where's my everything? I have like where's oh it's hiding down there. We have this. I'm not even gonna make it look fancy. No, I'm gonna make it look fancy. I'm sorry. It sweeps this, right? So these are I think even monthly sweep. So let's just double check that. So yeah, that is a monthly sweep technically, I guess, right? That's 2 different months. So we go down the daily, and then like I called right here. I said we have not gotten retrace any like we have not like taken out any of these liquidities. I don't think this is gonna be one of those I don't think it's gonna be one of this like where we kind of like slowly climb. I think we're just gonna have a huge push down to the point 0.5. I said swing. I didn't even tell anyone to swing trade, but I said it's definitely, and I'm very confident. Like literally, start starting my videos. I said it's gonna go down to the point 0.5. Honestly, I had a feeling that it might have just stopped at this little thing. Oh, that bitch. I mean, I'm gonna stand on that. What is that? What is that? How much points? 1,000 points? Whatever. Come trade. Call him $20,000 trade right there that I called out. Now I'm just messing. Um, so we're on the daily right now, and no clue what any of this shit is. What the fuck is this? I'm just gonna delete everything. I don't need anything on my chart right now. So I might go back up to the daily. So I saw this. And I was like, and honestly, I was considering, are we pushing past this? My question here. And then I saw this, and I was like, I think we're just gonna have maybe a mini retrace. And then my big idea was I actually also saw this price gap. So so I know price gaps are a huge pool of liquidity. So I thought my idea was here today was initially we're pushing past these highs. We're shooting for all-time highs, right? But I saw this price gap. I thought it'd be something pretty clean to retrace into for the push up. So I think tomorrow we're gonna keep pushing, keep railing. I don't know, maybe not. Maybe we go down a little bit farther. Maybe hit this. Maybe hit this. Something. But we're eventually going up to all-time highs. And I'm not talking about like sometime in the next few years. I'm talking about like pretty soon. I'm probably, hopefully, in January we hit all-time highs. I don't think in December we will. I think I hope no, what is it? It is December 23rd. Christmas is in 2 days. Um, not by December we hit this. That would be crazy. Oh, this did happen like a few days. Nah, I don't think so. Maybe we hit this. I think there's a chance. There's a pretty solid chance that we hit this, but apparently, like according to other people, I'm basing this off of what I've heard from other people, right? I wouldn't trade off of other people's signals, but I hear that PA is bad the last week of December, so I'm not planning on trading in the nearby future. Yeah, this is last week. This week, let's go ahead and check this out. I told you guys on Sunday on that one weird video because I want to do FX replays. Like I want to make this like a tradition. It's kind of dumb, I think. Wait, did I even post that bitch? I think they're kind of dumb. It doesn't really like make you a better trader, but I don't know what that shit is. But just something to keep me like on my edge. I don't know. I don't think FX replay is good though. I don't think anyone should do it. It doesn't make you profitable in any sort of sense. And these jackasses lowered my win rate. Fucking hell. I'm getting off topic. Let me get back to this so I can just show you guys my trade. Turn this off. Get to sleep. Right. So we ran up here. Right. We retraced to this 0.5. We're pushing up. I don't even know why we didn't take this out. I feel like we should have. I don't think we're like resweeping that. There's just no shot. There's no fucking shot we resweep that. There's no way, right? I don't think so. Because we already retraced. So I don't think we probably break down below here, below the zone. Maybe. Maybe we do. Don't trade until you know. So we were in this for value gap and we kind of just like hit above it. And then I was just like, okay, we could break it. We could, I don't know, not break it. Oh no. Um, so I saw this price, right? And then let me just get to market open. Let me just stop stalling. So market opens, right? And I'm just chilling in the market. I'm like, dang, that is a strong move down. Good thing I don't have FOMO anymore. So I did not take shorts. No, not here. Because I'm not a jackass. Okay, honestly, I took shorts way too late. Not because I was, not because of FOMO or anything, or not because like I was scared. I'll be honest. I'll be honest. I'll get to it. We moved down. Initial move down. 5 minute retrace. Literally 101 shit, right? How do you miss this? How do you miss this? We retracing this for value gap, and then we also move into, I think, if I'm not mistaken, the 0.75 of this range. No, I am fucking mistaken. I think I'm gonna have to um, reverse these. I don't know how to do that. I don't know how to do that. Yeah, found it. Okay, because now that looks like the 0.75. Okay, so just the 0.5. So combo resweep, and then literally all you gotta do is go down to this 1 minute and look for a strong 1 minute. Because though this would still follow like through with whatchamacallit, with the model, I just don't think you want to wait for like break of structure in this case scenario on the 5 minute. Because sometimes I'll wait for the 5 minute if I'm not sure. But I mean, we took out this huge thing, and this happened during market, like during market open, like market opens, like literally market opens, and then we take out that high and we go down. I mean, not a high, but we kind of just hit the peak of that for value gap. We move down, we wick into it. So I think we like fully like went into that fair value gap. I don't know. Like I think it's stronger when you like go like fully like envelop that fair value gap. I sound fucking crazy. Whatever. So I was more strong biased towards shorts, right? Because I saw this retrace just to break the structure, and this is what I had marked out. I saw this retrace. I was literally watching in, you know, live time, per the usual. And did I take this? Did I take this easy fucking trade? I know a lot of people were scared to like set their things like, oh, but this, I think some of these are Londons. Let me just double check. I know one of them's Asian and one of them's London. They're both lows, session lows, which is kind of crazy. I don't know it's crazy. I just think it's kind of funny that they're both like um session lows. So this one I think over here, this is session lows. London lows. I think um I've like I know people who were like more scared of London lows. They're like, oh, TP right here. No, dumbass. We wouldn't push down just the London lows right after we already take it out, right? Right? So we sweep this, we go up, and then we're breaking through. We're gonna break past London lows, jackass. There was an SMT that could have formed, but I said on the high time frame, we were two bears to form an SMT for a fucking London low. So where I think was best to set your TP out was this. So did I take this? Fuck no. Because, truth be told, I was in my math class. You know this, if you fucking listen. So I have math class during it, and me and my friends do quizzes on Jetpunk during that class. And I was just doing the daily quiz, and I was having a good old fucking jolly time. And I don't want to be loud, so I don't keep my thing on like my phone on my desk with the chart up, but I come back on like I don't know how long was this? Freaking yeah, because we were on for a while. Like 20 minutes later, we're just having a good old time, and I'm like, damn, I really missed that. So I took the proper trade that you're supposed to do. Ryan's and I actually came back around this break of structure, right on the 5 minute, and like I don't give a fuck about London loss. And then I also didn't really care about this. I was just really strong towards this price gap. So what I had was just about this. Where the fuck am I? Thank gosh I didn't like take it down here. I would have probably crashed out. Yeah, I did get a better entry because I don't even know why I got a good entry. I kind of took actually I also took I was entered until like about I was in my second class which starts at 10:30. I was talking to my friend and then I saw this move up and I thought he got liquidated because he told me he says TP he's in shorts too. We were both in shorts and he said he had his TP at um the price gap. I didn't even know it hit the price gap. It really shot down for a second. I only needed 12. I was trying to get 1500 honestly. I didn't get that. I got like 1200. I don't know why. I think my shit's bugging. I'm gonna hop off Tap Step. Like, in all honesty, I'm gonna try and take a couple payouts on this, and then I'm done with Top Step. Or maybe I'll just keep it as like a my side check. Not the best. Um, not the best fucking platform. My shit was 1 to 1. I was kind of tweaking out, just making sure it was 1 to 1. Because at first it was like point 0.8. It was like because there was like a reasonable. Oh wait, no, it was like here. I took this way earlier. What the fuck am I saying? What the fuck? Um, I was at first I was like, this is like a fair trade, right? This is like a good trade. I think this is actual like a real trade that you should have taken, right? Um, I just hopped in as soon as possible because it's obviously shorts, and it wasn't gonna this retrace, and then think broke structure, whatever. I forgot why, but I did. I took like a round here. I should have waited for break structure, I think. I don't know if I no, I think it took it lower. But my issue here was like I didn't need this much. It's like 1500 for me. It was just like because I did two cons because I don't super over leverage, but I'm not gonna fucking like try and take my full 75 fucking points for a trade. I'm not doing that shit. Yeah, I'm gonna take what I take. I don't care if it's 32.25 or whatever the math says gets me to 75 points and two cons. So I low-key just like had this. I like this is the max I could set it at. So it was like it's kind of having to fucking chill on this 0.73. I couldn't take more, but um so I did take like a 0.78 RR trade. I kind of cheated it because as soon as it kind of went down like to here, I lowered it like a little bit, so it looked like like a 1-on-1 trade. It immediately stopped my TP out there. So good old trade today. And then I said earlier, I'm just gonna like brave through this because I'm not sure not picking it was time that longs were also good, right? And so you see, though it's also later and lunch starts here, so you kind of can't like you're not supposed to really trade. I would trade until 12, honestly. I feel like I don't think there's a real big issue with trading until 12. It's cold in my room. I'm fucking shivering. Let me finish this. So we take out this price gap. Surprised you didn't go lower. I think we're gonna go lower. But longs weren't too bad because you go in the 5 minute, we have a up movement. We don't have any breaker structure on the up movement, but so we have a like a movement downwards, right? And I'm just gonna assume this is on like a 1 minute. There's probably like 1 minute shit. I don't know. Right there we go. That 1 minute for value gap. Move back up, back down. And in this 5 minute, this is the type of scenario where I'm not waiting for like a 1 minute breaker structure because fuck that. That is some stupid shit, honestly, in my opinion. Stupid as shit. We go in this fair value gap, um, and then I say, if you, I'm not waiting for that shit. I genuinely think that's some stupid shit. But I mean, I guess if you want to, it doesn't like kill anybody. For this, it would have worked, but for like kind of situations like this where it kind of goes against the bias a little bit, like we were fully bearish without breaking structure, taking a trade, I would wait for a 5 minute break structure, not just a 1 minute break structure. Let me go back to where this is. Oh, oh, okay. There we go. But if you wanted to wait for a 1 minute break structure, this is what would have got it in you. So I think like this is a fair time to take them. So you got this like high, and then it just completely takes this out, like all of this out. It just takes all of them out. So I think this counts. But see how like you would have definitely been like in some drawdown before you hit that TP. Not huge drawdown. This would have been like the minimum you could have put this at, and then you would have I would have targeted this liquidity. A 0.94 is not bad. It goes down, and you see a movement up. I think a break structure here, and then you can go like you can just pull it this. Or honestly, if you want to break even, it wouldn't go down. I mean, it would. This happens. I've lost a trade like that. Where I think it happened yesterday on Sunday on Top Stuff. I mean, it happened on FX Replay. It did. When if I don't move it, I'll always go break even. Like I have no regrets for going break even. You're gonna regret not going break even more than you will going break even. So that's it for today. Rally tomorrow? I don't know. Dump tomorrow? I don't know. Will I be trading tomorrow? Most likely. None of these are too bad. None of these really affect the market too bad. Will I be trading Wednesday? Fuck no. And definitely not Thursday either. And then Friday I go skiing. Saturday I go to Miami. For the LARP, it'll happen. I can't even see my face. It's so dark. I'm sorry. Alright, I'll see y'all, G's.